Hey everyone, are you trying to open Discord in Russia but nothing is loading? Maybe the app just keeps spinning, or you can't log in or connect to voice chat? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to open Discord in Russia using a simple and safe method that actually works. You'll also find a NordVPN link in the description, which is the VPN I personally use to access blocked apps like Discord. Discord is often blocked or restricted by some internet providers in Russia. This can happen due to government-imposed censorship, political events or unrest, VoIP restrictions from your ISP. So even if your internet is fine, Discord may be not opening at all, messages and servers not loading, voice channels refusing to connect. To fix this and get Discord working again, you need a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN will change your IP address to make it look like you're in another country. Encrypt your internet traffic so your ISP can't block or monitor it. Fully unlock Discord, text, voice, video, and more. But here's the thing. Most free VPNs won't work well in Russia. That's why I recommend NordVPN, which has obfuscated servers that hide VPN traffic, fast and secure connections for gaming and calls, a 30-day money-back guarantee to try it risk-free. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings. Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a safe country, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 6. Now open Discord. It should load and work perfectly. If Discord still doesn't open, try this. Switch to a different VPN server. Restart the Discord app or your whole device. Clear Discord's cache or reinstall the app. Change VPN protocol, NordLynx, or OpenVPN TCP. One of these should solve it. And that's how you open Discord in Russia, even if it's currently blocked or restricted. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers. Connect to a country outside Russia. Launch Discord and enjoy full access again. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a discount and 30-day guarantee. Have questions? Ask in the comments. I'll help you out. Like the video if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.